Oski, it's here, bud. It's here. It finally arrived. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, yes, yes. Scissors, scissors. Wait, pause. Yeah. Welcome to Tractor Supply Company. That's right, boys. We're starting a farm. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. For the last 2 weeks, I've been daily driving the Gallardo, the Aventador. Not the worst thing in the world, but we're gonna go shopping today for a new daily driver. And then Audi R8, I think it might be sold. We are driving off to Michigan on Friday. Clayton is wrapping the Gladiator like right now as we speak. We're headed up there right now. I just lied. We're not headed up to Summit Auto Lab right now. We're headed to make some models. We got to sell that R8. I am dropping off the title today, signing a bunch of paperwork. I'm not actually receiving the cash today, hopefully by the end of the week. I'm driving off to Michigan on Friday. I'm going to Italy in 2 weeks, flying back to Michigan, driving the Gladiator back to Utah. So as far as the V12 arrival, maybe like mid-July. I know, trust me, I get it. Also, whoa. I think this is it. This might be officially the last time the R8 is ever on the channel. Dropping off the title, signing a bunch of paperwork. This is it, boys. This is it. We had a lot of good memories, a lot of crazy memories, but there's a V12 in the future. Oscar, we have food! Food, bud! We have food! Food! Yes! Hustle! It's grain-free! Food! Yeah, you got food! You got food! I have been feeding Oscar, don't worry, he has other food in the basement. Let's go! Come on, let's go, bud, let's go! Guys, I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by SimpliSafe. We got 4 more cameras. You guys might remember about 3 months ago, we installed the SimpliSafe home security system here in Nick's house. Over that time period, it has been awesome. Like, the peace of mind is unparalleled. It's easy to use, it's intuitive. If you're unfamiliar, SimpliSafe is reliable home security. It's monitored 24/7 by professionals, and it's gonna keep your valuables safe. In the unfortunate event something were to happen, police will be called immediately. 3 months ago, I installed the SimpliSafe home security system. This is the live feed I can access via my phone. There's the camera right there. Unfortunately, people are still following me home. If you see me in the Aventador, please don't follow me home. Don't show up at my door unannounced. To the kid who sent me the Instagram DM of satellite footage of my house, not cool. Don't do that. If you guys see me at a car show, come say hi. Like, I love you guys. If you see me at a gas station, on the freeway, take pictures, say hello. Just don't follow me home. SimpliSafe has alleviated so much of that stress in my life, knowing that I have camera footage, because let's present worst case scenario. Something happens, one of the cars gets vandalized. If I have footage of the perpetrator, game over. I also installed these entry motion sensors. Every entry exit door throughout the house has them. My favorite SimpliSafe equipment is the front door doorbell camera. This is awesome for unwanted solicitors, unwanted people in general, and then obviously when packages are delivered. Just like the garage camera, you can access the live feed for your front doorbell camera through your phone. We received 3 more SimpliSafe indoor cameras. We're gonna install this one in the garage. Second garage camera is installed. It gives us a really nice visual on that side door. This camera, basement. Basement camera number 1 has been installed. Good coverage of this exit door. Basement camera number 2. Second basement camera has been set up. This window right here is kind of in an odd location, sort of out by itself. This camera is gonna secure. 3 cameras set up just like that. I still can't get over how easy it is to install. I installed 3 cameras, and honestly, I mean, to you guys it was around 9 seconds because of the transitions, but it probably took 10 minutes. Let's say the power goes out or maybe you lose Wi-Fi. SimpliSafe is still gonna operate as designed. Link in the description below, simplisafe.com/stradman. The prices are totally reasonable, totally fair. There's no contract required. For 50 cents a day, you can get around the clock coverage. Guys, simplisafe.com/stradman. We are headed up to Park City in the Aventador. Clayton is wrapping the Gallardo, so we are gonna be away.
Please exit now.
Okay.
Warning. Garage. Entry sensor open.
You see, it can sense that this door is open. Oscar, come on, bud. We gotta go. Oski, we gotta go. We can't play tennis. We gotta go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Welcome here to beautiful Park City, Summit Auto Lab. The Gladiator is behind that garage door. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There were some doubters. I saw your guys' comments. I sort of kind of gave you guys a sneak preview and said I might be wrapping it purple to match the Aventador. A lot of you guys weren't thrilled with that, but sure enough, we went with KPMF, matte iced amethyst titanium. Clayton and Faith have been putting in the work. They've been working non-stop for 72 hours. Guys, check this out. Oh, it looks so good. The Aventador looked amazing in purple, but I'd reckon the Gladiator might even look better. So Clayton's getting ready to wrap the hood. Faith is over here wrapping the fender. It looks so good. So guys, tomorrow we are getting new tires, new wheels. Clayton, Faith, and I are driving this to Michigan because the V6, it's just not adequate. You know, Clayton needs power in his life. Clayton, Faith, and I were in Chicago like 2 weeks ago, and we saw a Ferrari F430. And I told Clayton and I told Faith, if that video got 35,000 likes, they would buy a 430. And is it on its way?
Something like that, yeah.
Something like that. It's not.
There was no time frame.
True, I guess I didn't make a time frame. Okay, well, we're gonna change it. If today's video can get 45,000 likes, Clayton and Faith will buy an F430 sometime soon. And when I say soon, you know what I mean. Never doubt, full send. Ayo.
Almost.
Yikes.
Almost.
Yikes.
That was embarrassing.
This is the exact same vinyl that we used on my Aventador, and actually, when we run out here, the purple here on the Aventador, this is the exact same vinyl as the Gladiator, KPMF matte iced amethyst titanium. The Aventador is kind of a disaster. I've been daily driving this and the Gallardo for the past 5 days, and that's only gonna continue because the Gladiator's off to Michigan. I'm gonna leave it there for like 5 weeks, getting the new engine swap, and so I really need to get a new daily. In the intro to today's video, I said that I was gonna go car shopping, but looking at the time, I don't think it's gonna happen. So I need a new daily driver that's sub $30,000. If you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments below. I'm thinking maybe a Focus RS, Subaru STI, or a Golf R, which is the coolest and why. It's really more Oscar's car than anything, because right now, he has to ride passenger in the Aventador or the Gallardo, which he's getting big and he's starting to shed, and it's really not very ideal. That was pretty good. It looks amazing. Pretty good. That looks so good. Clayton is killing it. Guys, go follow Clayton on YouTube. What's your YouTube channel?
Summit Life.
Link in the description below. This probably looks pretty technical, and it is, and I'm very skilled and highly trained.
Good job.
Thank you. Okay, yeah. Hey, that was... I appreciate the enthusiasm. Yeah, instant replay. I'm gonna head home for the night. I got a bunch of videos to edit, and then first thing in the morning, we are coming back to pick up the Gladiator. We're running down to Agility Customs. We got the new wheels, the new tires, and then we're driving off to Michigan. So I will see you guys in the morning at 10:30, 11:30 a.m. Oh, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. We've arrived here to Agility Customs. We're gonna grab the truck, the trailer. We're gonna head up to Park City, Clayton Summit Auto Lab, finish the wrap on the Gladiator, also window tint. The window tint is 100% legal, pretty sure. If you didn't see my last video, the reason we're towing it back down to Agility Customs, we're waiting for a couple of suspension components. We're gonna install those today, then new tires, new wheels, then we're driving off to Michigan. I think it's like 28 hours. It's like 1,400, 1,500 miles. Should be a fun adventure in the Gladiator. Oh, it's turning out so good. Aventador, and where is it? There it is, Gladiator. Yes, yes. Ryan's first ride in the Aventador. Oh, it's pretty awesome. Yeah, it sounds so good. How was that, Todd? Yep, sorry, my bad. If you guys didn't see my last video, we're gonna race the Trackhawk, but we need to get Agility Customs to 7,500 Instagram followers. Guys, go follow them. I want to race this. I'm gonna get embarrassed though. 707 horsepower, the Aventador 691. I do have that exhaust, so we'll say even. My car weighs less, but his transmission is better. He's also probably a better driver, so. Anyways, we're here at Chick-fil-A. Not a paid product placement for Chick-fil-A or its affiliates. Steady hands, steady hands, steady. We're back here at Agility Customs. I had a meeting, so I kind of sort of missed the install. We got the new Falcon shocks there up front, and we have the track bar as well from TerraFlex. Oh, dude, flexing, are you kidding me? I need one of those tailgates. Yes, 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 yes. How'd they look?
Amazing.
Amazing. Oh, I can't wait, cannot wait, cannot wait.
Do you want to do it right now?
Yeah, let's do it. Okay. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. Oh, those look so good. True bead locks. You guys said these are for off-road use only. We are definitely not under any circumstances gonna drive these on the road. Not later in today's video. Earth Nation, we got the 40-inch Pro Comps here with the Pro Comp bead locks. This is gonna be insane. So we are mounting up, and then we're mounted like in today's video, like right now. Whoa. Jeez, muscle, are you kidding me? Boom, whoa, flex on it, everybody. That looks so good, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Full send, Todd, never doubt. See that technique, perfect triangle? Dude, that tire was like 400 pounds. Look at those muscles, look at those forearms. Are you kidding me? Oh, no! Take two, this is take two. We kind of sort of evaluated all of our options and we just thought, you know what? We're just gonna have the 40s up front and leave the 32s in back. I think it looks better. Today is pretty much the greatest day ever. We have completely 100% transformed this Gladiator. The stock black on stock tires and wheels was garbage. We got the 6.5-inch Evo lift kit. We got the Pro Comp 40-inch tires. Clayton Summit Auto Lab killed the wrap. Faith 2, purple looks insane. Look at those wheels too. Whoa, yes, 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 yes. So we're gonna go for the inaugural ride and see how she goes. I don't know if I can get up.
That's the jump.
Let's see. There we go. Oh, this is why you have one of these. Finally. Oh, Jesus. I made it. Oh, yes. Go, 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 go.
Can't handle the horsepower.
Oh my goodness, it's so much power. 285 is a lot of power, but we need to, I'm thinking maybe 4 figures. Maybe. That might be too much. Look at this clown to put white wheels on his car. Are you kidding me? Come on, bro. I'm pretty much speechless. I don't even know what to say. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Views on Views. The Gladiator has been finished. Massive shout out to Agility Customs. Guys, if you live in the beautiful state of Utah, actually if you live in America and you have a Jeep, come to Agility Customs. Look what they just finished. Jeez. So we are headed off to Michigan in the morning. I have to get 2 cars home though, so we're gonna hop in the Aventador, take it home, Uber back, get the Gladiator, drive home, go to bed, and go to Michigan. Whoa, so we're gonna go drop off the Aventador. We'll come pick up the Gladiator. Yes, 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 yes. Step 1 is complete. We gotta grab an Uber and then go get the Gladiator. See ya. It's so sick. I'm just so excited. Well, now, oh, jeez. Driving the Gladiator on 40s for the first time ever. Honestly, we just passed a Corvette. We got power on power. No way. So I gotta go home, I gotta pack, we're leaving for Michigan, but today's video is effectively over. It looks so good. It has completely blown away my expectations. We are off to Michigan first thing in the morning. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.